that I committed. Shoot to me now the legal basis of my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Kung sila naman kayo, alam naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve anong kaso. Hindi niya alam.
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo kung may charge sa kanya, nasa jargo na. And then, hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the prosecutor general. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedure process, here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. What are you going to say? Sir.
There's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial yan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Kung kaibigan tayo, galing ako ng gobyerno.